So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add an emoji here in Canva. So super simple. What I want you to do is go to the left-hand side of the screen, scroll all the way down to where it says emoji. If you don't have this in the left-hand side of your screen, not a big deal. Press on where it says apps right here, and you should be able to scroll down to where it says popular, and you can press on emoji this way. Once that is done, you can press on it. Now you have access to a bunch of different emojis. You can use the ones that are presented early on. You can change the color of these emojis if you want to. So if you want to make this smiley face, you can make it green. There you go. If you want to search up for emoji, super simple as well. I will search up a basketball. I can't even type. There you go. Now we have the basketball emoji right here. I can make it a little bit larger, do whatever you want, and that is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. And how you guys can use emojis here on Canva. Hopefully this video helped.